Are you having trouble checking your Instagram story views on iPhone or Android? We've got your back. Watch our video for the best solutions to crack the case. Begin by force quitting and reopening the Instagram app. On iPhone, swipe up on the home screen, find Instagram and close it. Open Instagram again to check if the issue is fixed. Alternatively, on Android, tap and hold the Instagram app icon. Then select App Info. Tap Force Stop. Confirm by tapping OK when prompted. On the other hand, you can also try clearing the Instagram cache on Android. Long press the app icon, select App Info. Scroll down to Storage and Cache, and tap on Clear Cache. If the previous fixes don't work, try resetting your iPhone's network settings. Go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset. Finally, on Android, open Settings, go to Additional Settings, tap on Backup and Reset. Select Reset Phone, and then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode or use your fingerprint to confirm the reset. These solutions will surely help you tackle this issue. And hey, why not make your tech journey even better? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and dive into one of our specially curated videos just for you.